Meet Alex. Alex needs a large format printer, but worries about the high initial investment, hidden costs, and poor after-sales service support. But wait, there's a solution. Why buy when you can subscribe? Introducing 𝗪𝗲𝗿𝗍's 36-month subscription plan, where seamless service to peace of mind, cost saving to low startup investment, reliability, and expert support are readily available. Designed to simplify your printing needs, savings and flexibility combined. Pick the printer that is most suitable for your needs. With 𝗪𝗲𝗿𝗍, you get free service and consumables as well. Unlock a range of complimentary consumables with your 𝗪𝗲𝗿𝗍 subscription. Need help troubleshooting an issue? 𝗪𝗲𝗿𝗍's support team is here to assist you, even over the phone. And for more complex issues, our engineers are available for on-site support. Trust in 𝗪𝗲𝗿𝗍's expertise. We have received many outstanding awards, and we are the authorized sales and service partner of Canon. At 𝗪𝗲𝗿𝗍, we tailor printing solutions for a wide range of industries. Whatever your industry, 𝗪𝗲𝗿𝗍 has the solution for you. Now, there is no need to worry about high initial investment, hidden costs, or poor after-sales services. Say yes to affordable startup, fixed monthly costs, streamline budgeting and reduce risks, an expert and skilled professional team. Subscribe to 𝗪𝗲𝗿𝗍's large format printer all-inclusive plan for greater savings and flexibility. Choose 𝗪𝗲𝗿𝗍𝗿 for all your printing needs and experience the difference.